welcome to another vlog. So today I'm actually going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a get ready with me because I'm actually heading out in a few, just going on a little staycation. I don't know if you've seen my previous video, but I mentioned that I haven't really had a vacation this year. I've had to cancel all my trips due to COVID-19, so it's kind of been a rough year, and so I just wanted to get out, take a little break, take a breather, and just relax for a few days. I did my nails, and I'm going to be uploading a video on exactly how I achieved this look soon. And I also want to give a quick shout out to Royally Crowned. I'm going to be linking their Instagram page in this video. That's where I got this cute little bonnet from, so guys, go ahead and check them out. So let's get started. I'm going to start by filling in my brows. Yeah guys, as you can see, I went ahead and I filled in my brows and I just did something to my eyes. Next I'm going to prime. I'm going to be using this primer right here. I do apologize for the background noise. Time really. I'm going to be using foundation, and I'm going to use Laura Mercier, and this is in the shade Praline. I'm going to be using that on my beauty blender. just to get under my eyes and set that with some Laura Mercier setting powder. Almost done. I'm just gonna dust this all away, spray my face, finish up the look, and then I'll be back. Guys, this is like my first time ever doing makeup on camera. This is a very natural color, so I know it's not showing, but yeah.